What's going on, you guys? My name is... Let me rearrange that. What's going on, you guys? My name is Kirby Downey, and welcome to this video. We are currently in the middle of 3D Experience Build 2021. It's a fully virtual conference, so I don't get to hang out with all my friends, but we're making the most of it. But the most exciting thing that was announced on the first day is that SolidWorks is making a Maker Edition, an affordable edition of SolidWorks that makers and hobbyists and just people who want to experiment and play with the tools. And they've now got a version for them, and it costs the same as a Netflix subscription, $10 a month, or you can pay $99 a year, which is insane. That is really, really cheap for a software that usually costs thousands of dollars. They're calling it 3D Experience SolidWorks for makers. What that means is basically SolidWorks belongs to the 3D Experience platform. Basically, 3D Experience platform is an online cloud solution so that you can integrate all of your design solutions as well as management solutions together. According to the SolidWorks for makers will include SolidWorks Professional, which is the desktop version of SolidWorks, which is fantastic. And it also includes 3D Sculptor and 3D Creator, which are two online cloud-based design softwares. And they're really fun. 3D Sculptor allows you to do a lot of organic things using push-pull subdivision modeling, which is really cool. Really good tools that you now have access to for $10 a month. But there is a lot of confusion around this because it can be quite confusing. So I'll go through quickly what a lot of the questions I've seen people asking about it. A lot of people are reading this and saying it comes to the cloud-based 3D design tools. It's not completely cloud-based. The 3D Experience SolidWorks Professional is desktop based. It's just connected to the cloud. So you can basically create something in SolidWorks and upload it onto the cloud, carry on with it in 3D Creator or add some details in 3D Sculptor that's organic. It just allows you to link them all together. This also means that with these cloud-based 3D design softwares, 3D Creator and 3D Sculptor, you can actually use them on a Linux machine or a Mac machine or a tablet because they're cloud-based. You use them in a browser. Unfortunately, SolidWorks Desktop is still only available on Windows. Another question I've seen is how similar is this going to be to normal SolidWorks, the really expensive one? It's going to be exactly the same. You're getting the exact same product for $10 a month. SolidWorks Professional it's desktop installed software. So if you are looking for all those tools, they will be available. A lot of people are asking whether all their files and that are going to be stuck on the cloud. Well, I'm not 100% sure on this. It could be that you have to save your files onto the cloud. There's no details on that yet. But I mean, if it is a desktop version of SolidWorks, I don't see why you aren't able to save the files locally. And hopefully you can. So yesterday we were discussing this a lot because a lot of the people that I know have been looking for this kind of version of SolidWorks because it's so expensive. So a couple of things that we're hoping won't happen is that there will be features cut out behind a paywall. Hopefully it's full uncut version. We're hoping so because they haven't said it's a light version or anything. So it should be the full clear-cut SolidWorks 3D Creator and 3D Sculptor. Another thing that we don't know yet is whether the Makers Edition is going to be available for commercial use. So if you're just a maker, make a couple little things in your garage and you're putting on Etsy, you're selling like 10 a month. Will you be able to carry on doing that? Will you be able to use the software to create stuff for commercial use? I mean, I assume yes, or else they would have put the Student Edition and the Maker Edition into one edition. Because I know the Student Editions already are for home use and non-commercial use. So it'll be interesting to see what comes of that. So I'm quite excited for this. I'm looking forward to this. I want to find out more information. There's a link below where you can find out more information or sign up to find out for more information. I don't really like the sign up form because you have to give quite a lot of information just to show interest. But looking at it, it's going to be completely web-based in terms of purchase. So you don't need to deal with resellers or VARs or anything. You don't have to contact someone to buy it from. You can do it purely online. So it's quite exciting. And hopefully it can get more and more people into SolidWorks. It can get more people involved in 3D Experience World and just get more people involved in the Champions program. It just makes it more accessible to people, which is going to be fantastic, and I'm looking forward to it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.